Have you ever wondered why app feels so effortless while other makes you want to throw your phone away? It's because of design thinking, the method behind every product that you love. The world's most innovative companies don't solve problems by guessing. They use one proven method, which is design thinking method. So let's get started. So the design thinking process is a problem solving approach which focuses on users understanding, define the problems, ideate the solution, creating prototype and testing solutions. Design thinking is a non-linear process, means it's a flexible process. There are total 5 phases in this process. First one is empathize, second is define, third is ideate, fourth is prototype, and last is test. We can start from test as well and even from prototype as well. There is no compulsion to start with empathize and end with the test. So that's why it's called non-linear process. So let's start with the first stage, empathize. In empathize, the main purpose is understand your user deeply. In this process, the key responsibilities you will going to perform is user interview, user research, like qualitative research, quantitative research, taking surveys, etc. Just to know who is your actual users. The next stage is define stage. The main purpose in this define phase is turn messy research into the actual problem. Like you have took too much interviews and taking surveys where you get 200 plus response. So in define stage you are going to filter out the actual problems. Okay, so in this you are going to responsible for affinity mapping, just to filter out the key insights, finding the pain points and users needs, etc. So you are going to create persona of your user, empathy mapping, point of view statement or how might we statement, and the final problem statement. Now third stage is ideate. The main purpose of this process is to generate as many ideas as possible. Okay, so in this the key responsibilities that you are going to perform is brainstorming stations, creating mind mapping, journey mapping, information architecture diagram of your product, a user flow, some quick paper prototype or paper wireframes, which we call low fidelity wireframes. After that you create high fidelity wireframes on Figma. This is not necessary to do both. You can do either paper prototype or high fidelity wireframe, it's up to you. Now the main phase, which is prototype, we can say design phase as well. Here you are going to design the final product. For that you are performing key responsibilities of creating color palette, typography, Figma file setups, and final UI design, including uh, micro animation, rapid prototyping, etc. And the final stage is test. Not final, as I already told you that it's a flexible process, but in this chronology that we are following, it's the last stage, test. In this phase you have to validate your solution with real users. For that you are going to perform the key responsibilities like A/B testing, usability testings, error and friction analysis, and user feedback sessions. So it's also the crucial stage. I hope this video found you the helpful and valuable to you. I am on the journey to give free UI UX education on this channel. So follow for more future videos like this, and also watch my previous videos on UI UX. Thank you.